Okay, so for this particular problem, this is a multi-step conversion. So multi-step conversion is a conversion that uses more than one conversion factors. If you see, you are given 2 conversion factors, so that means you will be using these 2 in converting grams per ml to kilograms per liter. You have to do the conversion one at a time. One conversion factor at a time, okay? So let's illustrate that here. You have to write first the given 19.3 grams over or per ml. The first thing we need to focus on usually is to convert our numerator. So let's start with a gram. We will convert our grams to kilograms here. And what conversion will we use? Look at your 2. Of course, we're going to use the first one because that's the one about gram and kilogram, right? So we're going to use this first. So that will be times, you put that line there, and then we're going to decide, based from this conversion factor, where will I put my G and kg? Let me go back to my given. My given has the G on top. To cancel out that G on top, I have to have a G at the bottom. And of course, the partner of the G is a kg, so I don't have a way but to put the kg on top. Because that's the partner in the conversion factor. Please do not mix up the others. Focus on one conversion factor at a time. So grams and then kg. When the units are correctly positioned, then I copy the values. So for the gram is 1000, so I put the 1000 below. And the kilogram is 1, so I put the 1 beside it. And now I am done with my first conversion factor. And the effect here is that the gram gets to cancel out. Correct? Next, I am done with my gram. Now it's time for me to use the second one, the second conversion factor, which is the ml to liters. So I'm going to continue by writing times again. Times, and then we put a line. So where will I put my ml and my liter in my conversion factor? Go back to your given again. Ask yourself, where is my ml in my given? Is it at the top or at the denominator? It is at the denominator, bottom. For me to cancel out something at the bottom, I have to have another counterpart which is on top. So ml should be on top here, while the partner liter will be below. And then I copy the values. My ml is 1000, so I have 1000 on top this time. And I have 1 liter, so 1 liter here. And then I cancel out my ml at the bottom and my ml on top here. Just the unit for now. Are you following in this? And now, once I have used all my conversion factors, that means this completes my solution. And then I will confirm if whatever units left are the units that is required in the problem. The final unit should be in kilogram per liter. And then I'm going to check. Do I have the kilogram? Yes, I have. So kilogram check. Then it says per liter. So the liter has to be found below. It's per liter. I see it. So that means check, check. My units are in place. Kilogram per liter. And now, when all the units are in place, I am ready to use my calculator. Multiply first the one on top before the bottom. However, there are instances that there are numbers on top and the same number value is at the bottom. If the same number is on top and at the bottom, what do? We cancel them out. And they will just become and be reduced to a 1. It's a 1, a 1, a 1, and a 1. everything here is a 1, and it's a 19.3. So what is the final answer? Do you need to use a calculator in this case? No, it's just all 1 times 19.3. Then the answer has the same value, 19.3. But the units are different. Will be kilogram, just copy there, kilogram on top, per liter below. And that is the final answer to this particular conversion problem. The same value, but different units. It just so happened that in this type of conversion, whatever is the value will be retained in the final answer.